everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a hairstyling video for those of you guys who might be curious to know how I curl and style my new lob. So the technique and style is definitely different from how I used to curl my long hair, and so I wanted to share with you guys how you can achieve this effortless natural wavy curls. Before I begin, a little bit more about the cut that I got. It's basically a one length long bob, so there are no layers in it, which I feel like gives off a more youthful and chic and trendy vibe, hopefully. So I got my hair cut at Hair Plus Korean Salon by their Korean hairstylist May. So if you're interested to get your hair done at Hair Plus Korean Salon, I'll leave their contact details in the description box below. So as some of you may be aware, I used to curl my hair with a hair straightener. Unfortunately, after multiple attempts, I realized that it is really difficult to achieve this look with a hair straightener. Even though it is possible to create similar looking curls, I find that it's not going to look as smooth and natural, and it's also going to be a really tedious process, especially if you have really thick hair like mine. So for my hair length and thickness, I will be using this 31mm curling wand that was recommended to me by my hairstylist May. This curling wand is from Korea. It is reasonably priced. It is available in many different barrel sizes. And most importantly, the voltage is suitable to be used here in Singapore. So if you're interested, I'll leave a link to it in the description box below. So I'm going to begin with my bare hair. I'm not sure what to call it, but I basically don't apply anything before I style my hair. So beginning with my bare hair, first I'm going to section it into two main parts. For the bottom section of my hair, honestly, I don't pay too much attention to it because it's so short. It's quite difficult to curl it, and also since majority of it is going to be covered up by the top section, I'm just going to randomly curl it. As long as they're not super straight, that's fine. One very important tip is to make sure that your hair is 100% dry, otherwise your curls will not last at all. Since I have really thick hair, I like to wash my hair the night before and dry it the night before just to ensure that it is 100% dry. Once we're done with the bottom section, we're going to move on to the top section, which I will then split into 4 sections. So we'll have 2 sections on both sides. It's really difficult to explain what I'm doing in words, but I will try my best. So first I'm just gonna clamp my hair from where I want the curls to begin, and that's gonna be pretty close to my roots. After letting that section curl for about 10 seconds, I will just twirl and pull my hair through the hair curler slowly. One thing I like about this hair curler is that the clamp does not leave a mark on your hair, but it's also secure enough so your hair will not slip off the wand. For the curls to last longer, I will ensure that I am not overloading my curler, and I will also let it cool on its own without touching it. If you're confused about which direction you should be curling your hair, you can also twirl your hair in the direction you want after releasing it. Honestly, I don't feel like the direction is important. As you can see, I went back and forth. I feel like it looks more natural that way. For my bangs, I just like to keep it natural looking. Sometimes I'll use a straightener if natural is too messy. After I'm done with my entire head, I like to apply this curling essence, which I got from Hair Plus Korean Salon. This curling essence is a non-greasy, lightweight styling cream that will help define your curls while still keeping them soft and bouncy. Then I'll apply a really small amount of hair serum only on the very ends of my hair. If you have acne-prone skin, I highly recommend you to just skip this step. So this is the end result, and I love that it looks very soft and natural looking. For tighter curls, you'll definitely need a smaller barrel curling wand, but if you're looking for natural wavy curls like this, I find that this hair color really does a great job. So if you're interested in all the products mentioned in today's video, I'll leave all the details in the description box below. So we've come to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little hair tutorial, and I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!